Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hey, whenever you're watching us, we just thank you for watching. I'm Gordon with the YouTube channel. This is how I did it. In today's video, I'm at work actually. I'm working with a kid named Tyler that I work with every day. Great kid. Great kid. Shoot, he's 32 years old. Shows you how old I am. Anyway, we are plowing in a conduit for a future fiber service to a shop. And it's basically us showing you how a plow works. We're using a Maxi Sneaker. It's a case Maxi Sneaker. It's kind of old, but it works great. It articulates in the middle, so it's not really a steering wheel like the Ditch Witch has a steering. Anyway, it's a Maxi Sneaker is what they call it. And it's got a plow in the background that puts the pipe in the ground as the plow goes, and we'll show you how that works. And I guess the biggest thing is just after we are done, we leave. For the homeowners, the maintenance of this is basically just water the ground where we plowed, and it'll basically come back up, the grass start growing again. If you don't water it, you're going to see a track mark where we plowed the ground, obviously. But you'll see once we walk it down, and if you just water it, it'll look great. We're in about the end of July right now, so it's pretty dry. So if the homeowner does not put some water on it, you will definitely see where we went until late fall, to where the stuff starts growing back. Because basically where we went, it'll kill the root system of where we went. Obviously, if you bored it, bore underneath a directional bore, there's not that problem. But it just takes so much longer, so much more setup to drill it. Anyway, guys, if you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Let's get on with it. Thanks for watching. Alrighty, today we are plowing in a short drop. We got a 1-inch orange conduit. Dug our start hole for a plow on the ground. Got our plow, so the 1-inch conduit goes down through this pipe. You can tell noisy as hell. Alrighty, we got our plow in, pulled up out of the ground here. Got power marks right here, so we can pull up. We're a good 5 feet away from those, 6 feet away from those. We can pull up now, just hand dig under that fence into that vault. That's kind of what this plow slot looks like. Pipe just goes through it as you go. All right, we got it dug into the vault. Got our shot underneath the fence here, all buried. Now we'll just run over this hump with the Maxi, pack it back in, clean up some of the debris that's in it. Oh, the burn pile over there. I just walk over this with the Maxi. Be good to go. So now I just walk down that where we plowed with the Maxi. Walk it down, flatten it back out. Now if a homeowner waters this for the next week and a half, you never know we're here. If they do not water it, it will definitely be a patch of dead grass right here. Because we're in the middle of the summer right now, we're in July. So if they water it, be good to go. If they don't, you'll definitely know for till fall where we were. Okay, we're now ready to pull in fiber. 1-inch pipe plow con is in. Like I said, this line right here, you can kind of see where we were. If you were to bore this, you wouldn't see this at all, but it takes so much longer to bore it. It's a little filled, nothing here. Good to go. Put a little water on it, be definitely good to go.